Hello guys, this is another video from Jambo Auto Repairs. Today we have a 2009 C-Class and we have a common problem which is known as steering lock failure. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to remove the steering lock. First you take the airbag out with two T30 screws from the back here. We have already removed the lower cover. And the steering lock has failed in the lock's position, so we're gonna have to remove the entire column out. So there's another T45 screw on the side here. And this is the power cable to the steering lock. Now we're gonna disconnect it. Make sure you guys have disconnected the battery before you guys start pulling the steering column apart. We're just trying to break the steering screws with a 10mm hex. Make sure to always mark the steering with a marker pen or the white ink. Lock mechanism and the switch housing just slide out, and that's the lock we're going to remove. Guys, you have to use the plastic trim removers. We have used it so many times, we've done this, so we're just expert with this, so we usually only use them, but always good to have plastic trim removers on the side. Now we're gonna start taking the Torx
T12
Torx. There are 4 in total, so we can pull the column out, because there's no way we can get that steering lock out because it's failed in the lock position. So there are 4 of them, so one there, one there,
two of them here. One is here and one is here. And
so there's one there and one there. Okay guys, now we have already taken the 4 bolts, T12 out. We're trying to pull the column out. So this is the steering lock, guys. Leave it. Remove the ice and the key. This is a very common failure on the C-Class. Steering lock failures, usually the motor goes in them. But we have come up with a solution to make it work without the motor. So we don't replace the motor, we just make the software to emulate to think the motor is there. To teach you guys how to remove the ice. For the ice you need a special tool. The reason we're taking the ice out is to bench test the ESL before putting it back into the car. There's just two clips holding it. If you pull it, press it up and pull it, it just pops out. And this is the cable to the shifter. It's popped. So I'll take this, and I'll also need the keys. So guys, this was the video to how to remove the ESL or the ice from a C-Class with a permanent failure of the ESL. If the ESL is failed in the unlock position, then you don't have to remove the column. You can just open up the screws and tilt it, and you can open up the 13mm screw and just slide it out. Thanks for watching Jambo Auto Repairs. We'll always keep uploading new videos.